Overhaul the generator engine lube oil purifier motor. Loosen the screw and remove the motor. Loosen the screw of the friction boss. Loosen and remove the electrical cover. Remove the electrical connection. Measure the low insulation of the motor side. Now confirm that the reading is full scale 0 ohms. That the motor is low insulation. Remove the fan cover. Remove the snap ring. Remove the fan. Check the fan condition. Remove the friction boss. Make a match mark and loosen the screw. Loosen the shaft key. Remove the fan bearing housing. Check the bearing condition and the fan housing condition. Remove the load side bearing housing together with the rotor. Check the stator condition, and the stator is worn out with scratches that touches the rotor. That the low insulation of 440 volt alarm activated. Check the rotor condition also with scratches that cause the 400 volt low insulation alarm activated. Remove the load side bearing housing. Check both side bearing, load side and fan side bearing, and all bearing is intact condition. Check the load side bearing housing inside the meter and clean for the measurement. And also the fan side bearing housing, check the condition and clean for the measurement. Took up a measurement on the load side bearing inside the meter and the fan side bearing inside the meter. And this is our measurement for the load side bearing housing inside the meter. The new bearing is 72 mm outside diameter. And also measurement for up and down is 72.25 mm. And the forward and starboard is 72.55 mm. Up and down we have at 20.25 mm we're down. For starboard with 0.55 mm we're down. And for the fan side bearing housing inside diameter, and the new bearing outside diameter is 62 mm. And for our measurement for up and down inside diameter is 62.5 mm. And the measurement of port and starboard inside diameter is 62.45 mm. Up and down we have 0.5 mm we're down. And for starboard we have 0.45 mm we're down. Where the new bearing is 62 mm. So don't forget to measure the load side bearing housing and the fan side bearing housing during the replacement of the motor bearing to avoid this kind of trouble. Now we have to replace the new spare motor of the generator engine lube oil purifier. Install the new motor on the generator engine lube oil purifier. Fix and tighten the motor screw. Open the electrical box connection. Connect the electrical connection. Double check the electrical connection in the correct direction for the rotation of the motor. Check stop and start the motor for the rotation. Double check and tighten the electrical connection. Running test the motor and check the running condition. Check for any abnormal vibration and temperature of the motor. Check the running condition of the purifier. Check the feed rate, the pressure, and temperature. And this is our electric control panel for the 100 volt and 440 volt. But the purifier is not included this control panel. Our service pump today is number 1, and we have to change over to number 2 service pump one by one to locate the low insulation alarm. And then check the ohmmeter reading. 440 volt must be infinite reading. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye!